Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome. It's Marco. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about pets. So let's get straight to the point. So I believe that many of you might have or had pets. So let's try to see the names in Italian. So let's start with the first one, the most common one, the dog. The dog in Italian is called il cane. Il cane. And the plural version, I cani. I cani. Then the pose, le zampe. Le zampe. And bear in mind that we use this term, le zampe, for all the pets. So it's not just the dogs who have le zampe, the pose, every single one. So the fur, il pelo. Il pelo. And the dog barks. Il cane abbaia. Il cane abbaia. So to bark, abbaiare. Abbaiare. If you see a stray dog, that's gonna be un cane randagio. So stray, it's randagio. Randagio. Then we have the cat, il gatto. Il gatto. Then, if you have more than one cat, the cats, I gatti. I gatti. So the cat meows. Il gatto miagola. Miagola. So, to meow, miagolare. Miagolare. Then we have il coniglio, which is the rabbit. Il coniglio. Some of you might keep a bird as a pet. So a bird is un uccello. Un uccello. For those of you who have more room, you might have a horse. Un cavallo. Un cavallo. So the horse neighs. Il cavallo nitrisce. Il cavallo nitrisce. So to neigh, nitrire. That's the sound the horse makes. The donkey, l'asino. L'asino. The alpaca, l'alpaca. L'alpaca. The lama, il lama. Il lama. So these two didn't change at all between English and Italian. The terrapin, la tartaruga. La tartaruga. The tortoise, la tartaruga. La tartaruga. So as you can see, we tend to use the same term, la tartaruga, in general. Either it's a terrapin or a tortoise. Okay, we just identify them with one word. An iguana. Un iguana. Un iguana. So actually this is the same. It didn't change at all. Il geco. Il geco. The goldfish. Il pesce rosso. Il pesce rosso. The guinea pig. Il porcellino d'India. Il porcellino d'India. The hamster. Il criceto. Il criceto. For those of you who are more into exotic ones, we have the spider. Il ragno. Il ragno. The tarantula. La tarantola. La tarantola. The scorpion, lo scorpione, lo scorpione. The snake, il serpente, il serpente. The python, il pitone, il pitone. The anaconda, l'anaconda, l'anaconda. So, if you wanna have a small talk about pets, you might ask, what's his name? Come si chiama? Come si chiama? Or, how old is it? Quanti anni ha? Quanti anni ha? Quanti anni ha? Or, what's his breed? Che razza è? Che razza è? Che razza è? And so, thank you for watching. This was a short lesson about the pets. I hope you're right. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye now. Ciao, ciao.